Looking for a simple way to increase your online income in 2024? This video offers a solution on how you can earn up to $395 a day by typing names with no prior experience. Let's review this Google Docs document together. Let's start from the first page and then go to the second page and finally from the third page. Let me introduce you to an outstanding platform where you can earn $3 and $6 for writing 300-word articles as you scroll through a Google Docs document. And you will come across a list with 300 words. Names impressively, you can earn $6 simply by entering these names on the website, which I will show you later, with the capacity to complete up to 50 pages per day. The earning potential becomes even more attractive. It's so simple that you can potentially earn a significant daily income of up to $300 or even $400. Now let's turn your attention to an exciting opportunity waiting for you at talentdesire.com. Your home with no initial financial investments required. This unique opportunity removes the barrier of initial capital and makes it available to everyone. As you browse the platform, you'll discover a variety of work from home options, from online proofreading to freelance blogging to language translation and online surveys. However, our focus in this video on online typing jobs shines through by offering simplicity and accessibility without prior experience or technical exercise. How the digital landscape has transformed work and the flexibility and ways to earn money remotely. Platforms like Talent Desire have created opportunities that are limitless and borderless, allowing you to create your own country in the online sphere. This section provides details on an online typing gig with an annual income potential of $13,500 to $227,000, and a great opportunity for people all over the world to make money. About fees and registration is very important to emphasize that registration is completely free. There are no hidden costs before or after registration, and you never need to make a financial contribution. And we will soon share this strategy with you and make it available exclusively to you. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. We are pleased to introduce the first bonus tip that can significantly boost your earning potential through online name entry. Your journey begins at ratetype.com, the hub of this website, where you can take a free typing assessment to get started. Simply click the button and it will take you to the page where you can start your typing season. Whether you're using a mobile device or a computer, break it down. Imagine you're going to earn $6 per page. Type having a certificate is necessary to achieve this goal. When you start typing words on this page, you can up to $3,300 or even $400 per day. So it is important to stay focused to understand exactly how to get a certificate and how to get a certificate, and accuracy is very important. Then in talent, wish to optimize your income to optimize to accuracy rate between 95 and 100 regardless, avoid any spelling or typographical errors. The higher your accuracy, the higher your potential earnings. You can quickly move up the pay scale to demonstrate your typing speed and accuracy, allowing us to quickly complete these assessments and secure your certification. Get a typing test in 5 minutes using a real example after you finish. Even if your typing speed or accuracy drops below 90%, you can return to this site and retake the free typing assessments until you improve your performance. After saving the results and sign up for a free account setup, make this account. Click the link directly to create a free account. Then enter your name, email addresses, and password and agree to the terms and conditions and click on the yellow register button after registration and log in into your account, where you will see your name on the dashboard next to your typing speed. Keep scrolling until you find your certificate. Click on it to go to a page that confirms your award for your typing and English language skills with access to typegrade.com sign feature and lead to increase in income. Now let's go through the registration process and start your typing task in Talent Desire. When we go to the bottom of the page, click on the apply button, start page, continue scrolling to select the application from section. Then click on the lead link to access the online application for remote work opportunities at the bottom of this page. Find the apply for us at work link and enter your potential information. Agreeing to the privacy policy as is set up initially, they provide their email address and phone number, their first and last name. They welcome people from all over the world, including India, Philippines, Nigeria, USA, UK, Pakistan, and more. Continue to the next step. This section focuses on your professional details and is often mistaken for your job title. Enter exactly as specified and then select the appropriate format. You have the flexibility to choose any time frame, but all day is recommended as it offers more earning opportunities. Choose a payment method that suits your preference, whether it's a PayPal payment, phone transfer, or direct deposit. Show your income professional status. For example, you can choose self-employment after completing all required fields. Click on the continue button, then check the declaration box to enter your signature, your full name. Click on I'm not a robot and finally click on submit. Once approved, you can start receiving typing assistance. What a night with what was explained. Earning $6 for that 300 words. Remember that timely submission is essential for emailing consistent daily tasks.